Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you fix ping transmit fail general failure on Windows 11. So first you need to restart your PC and router. First you need to restart your router and at least for 30 seconds. Then after restart your computer by just go to start menu, go to power icon, tap on restart. This will fix the temporary network glitches if there is happened. So then after you need to go to search bar, type command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes on the pop-up menu. There are some commands you need to run to fix your network issue. First you need to type net sh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Once that process is complete, again you need to type net sh win sock space reset and hit enter. This will fix the corrupted TCP IP option, and make sure to restart your computer after this one also. And once it is done, again you need to open command prompt like this, and you need to type ipconfig space / release and hit enter. Once the process is completed, again you need to type ipconfig / renew and hit enter. This will fix the IP conflict. If there is IP conflict happened, you can fix that using this command. And finally you need to type flush the DNS. So to do that, ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. This will clear the DNS related issues. Then after you can close this one. And next method is you can disable and re-enable network adapter. Simply right click on it, go to device manager, double tap on network adapters, select your driver, right click on it, tap on disable device. Once it is disabled, you can see button is changed into enable device, tap on enable. And once you disable and enable, then after again right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. Then it will be download the latest driver. In my case it is already in the latest version, there is no update, so that's what it is showing. And this will fix the adapter related issues. And the next method is you need to turn off VPN or proxy by just go to start menu, go to setting and go to network and internet option, select the VPN. If you see any kind of VPN is running currently, turn it off. But in my case there is no VPN, so that's why it shows like this. And if you're using third-party VPN, please make sure to turn it off, because VPN causes the ping failure. And the next method is you need to check Windows firewall. To do that, you can close this one and go to search bar, type security, tap on Windows security option. In here, tap on firewall and network protection. So you can see firewall is turned on in this time. You need to turn it off in each network, domain, private and public. Tap on it, turn it off like this, tap on yes. Same thing for other ones also. Go here, turn it off, tap on yes. So this will confirm the firewall not blocking your ping. And the last method is you can network reset by just go to start menu and go to setting. Left side go to network and internet, scroll down and go to advanced network setting, tap on network reset option, tap on reset now. This will reset your network. It will fix the broken configuration, and after you need to restart your computer. Finally you need to test your ping by just go to search bar, search for command prompt. I already opened that one. You need to type ping 8.8.8.8 and hit enter. You can see it shows ping is 207, 101 like this. If your ping is smaller, that means 50, 20 kind of thing, your connection is very good. But if you see higher ping, that means your connection is bad. So this is how you can fix this.